Revit 2022 provides enhancements to RPCs to improve visualization workflows. Revit now supports the new RPC 2.0 file format, which display complex, high-resolution geometries, physical-based materials and lighting, and more intelligent ways to control the asset parameters. Experience the improved performance of realistic views with options to switch off all the RPCs in the model and/or display the orientation in billboard mode towards the camera. Additional features include a simplified representation of RPCs in non-render views, support for the furniture category in the family editor, and an expanded library of rendering assets, including people, transportation, and furniture. Create better photorealistic renderings with the new RPC enhancements in Revit 2022.